Your hooking, your slicing, your topping, and the entire countryside seems to consist solely of sand bunkers and water hazards. Your white life is cruel. Perhaps it's your preliminary wiggle, or perhaps it's not your fault at all. Perhaps it's those plastic cheap clubs which stand between you and a handicraft fall. Many golfers are convinced that custom-made golf clubs can make all the difference. So what is a custom-made golf club, and does it make a difference? How do they do it? They're one of the most indulgent golf accessories, custom-built clubs, and one of the most famous producers of such clubs is